Spending days trying to recreate somebody else's winning meta ad usually results in a cheap knockoff that simply doesn't work. What if though, you could perfectly clone their winning ad format and structure, pacing and visual style in minutes without hiring any editing team or actors? Today, I'm going to be showing you the exact workflow to ethically swipe and recreate winning ads at scale using AI, all in one browser tab. Max Fusion, folks, essentially allows you to create ads at scale, and it's easy. You can simply do it based off inspiration, for example, from Meta, Instagram, or even TikTok. And I really want to emphasize that speed itself is the huge advantage that you're going to have here over other businesses and media companies. You can even get real cheeky by actually going to your competitors' actual ads that are having success for them and recreate them in a non-copyright manner, using it as inspiration, just adding your own little personal touches on it using Max Fusion. By using this method, you're going to avoid false ads expenditure, essentially spending money on ads that don't even work anyway. Why not just recreate exactly what you want based off actual data, analytics, and existing ads that already work? You don't need to, and you shouldn't be trying to recreate the wheel here when it comes to media. Keep it simple. Find something that works already, recreate it by using the inspiration using Max Fusion, profit. Okay. So we're going to go to the Facebook ad library. We're just here now for Meta, and we're going to go ahead and pick out this ad, which has been doing pretty well. Going to go over to the copy lab here, and we're basically going to upload our video first. So we can just drop that in there nice and easy. Okay, so as you can see, that's our 14-second advert right there. And then we're going to go ahead and start the analysis of this video. All right, so as you can see, the analysis has been done. It's given us the transcription, which is great. Everything's there. It's given us the audio. All the different segments are here, and we can add to images, whichever section we want. So we're going to start with that first image. So I want to take that fourth image as well, add to images. So you just start with those images first. Okay, so we're going to clone the scenes now. We're going to choose the setting here that works well for us. Perhaps a living room might actually be good. So we've got the scene, right? Different scenes, scene blast. So we want the same kind of like advert in different scenes here. Can choose the actual avatar now. Happy with that. So we're going to go to the Riz model here too. So we can basically get the natural audio going as well. We can go to generate speech, got the different voices here, and we can generate that video.
I tried dozens of skincare products that never worked for my acne and dark spots. But after using this serum consistently, my skin finally started clearing up within weeks. What I love most is how lightweight and natural it feels without irritating my skin. If you're struggling with stubborn breakouts or uneven texture, this is honestly worth trying.
Pretty impressive. Yeah, very accurate. Pretty believable. I mean, AI is getting really impressive these days, really improving. So I reckon that's pretty awesome. You can download all that once you're ready as well. But yeah, I mean, this is some serious high quality, man. Really impressive. Now, what you've got to realize, folks, is being able to utilize this full suite of features is going to give you that ability to recreate those flawless ads and replications in minutes. You don't need to write long and complex prompts to generate fantastic generations and ads. It's super simple and anyone can do it. You don't need like an English language degree or anything like that. And always remember that you should only be recreating ads that you're 100% happy with putting in your ad portfolio out into the public world. So nothing like no pornography, obviously, or like drugs or violence or anything like that. Don't waste another dollar guessing what creative works. Click the link below to get your Max Fusion AI account set up, grab your tokens, and start cloning your competitors' winning ads today.